Hello, welcome back to Daily Speak English.
Hey everyone, imagine this. You're about to send an important email to your boss in English, and you're staring at a blank screen thinking, how do I sound professional without sounding like a robot? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say.
My name is Lucy.
And my name is Jack. On this channel, we help you practice real everyday English.
If you enjoy our videos, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us.
Today, we're talking about something super practical. English at work. We'll cover emails, small talk, meetings, everything you need to sound professional and confident.
Let's get started.
So, Lucy, how are you today?
Morning, Jack. I'm good, thanks. A little sleepy, though. I stayed up late last night finishing a presentation.
Oh no, another long night?
Yeah, the presentation was so long. But I learned some new English phrases from it, so that's good.
That's a nice way to see it. Well, let's get some coffee first before we start.
Good idea. I can't start work without coffee.
Me too. Oh, by the way, happy Monday.
Happy Monday indeed. Another busy week ahead.
Yes, but we can do it. One task at a time, right?
Right. So, what's your plan for today?
I'll check my emails first, then review a new project proposal. What about you?
Same here. I need to reply to a few emails and prepare for our team meeting.
Perfect. Let's do that together. We can talk about useful English phrases for emails while we work.
Sounds great. Okay, let's start with this. How do you usually begin a professional email in English?
I usually write hi and the person's name, like hi John or hi Sarah.
That's good. Hi, John, or hello, Sarah, are both friendly and professional. What about dear? I see that sometimes too.
Dear is more formal. You use it when writing to someone you don't know well or to your boss or a client. For example, Dear Mr. Smith or Dear Mrs. Lee.
Got it. So, hi is friendly, dear is formal.
Exactly. And what if I don't know the person's name?
You can say, dear sir or madam, or to whom it may concern. But that's very formal. If you can, it's always better to find the person's name.
Makes sense. Now, after the greeting, you should start with a short, polite sentence. Something like, I hope you are well, or I hope you're having a good day.
Oh, yes, I've seen that before. I hope you're doing well.
Exactly. It's friendly and polite. So, for example, Hi Anna, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to ask about the new project schedule.
Perfect. That sounds very natural.
Great. What about ending the email?
At the end, you can say things like, best regards, kind regards, thanks, or thank you.
I usually write, thanks.
That's fine for most situations, especially if you know the person. But if it's formal, kind regards is better.
Okay, I'll remember that. Sometimes I don't know how to ask something politely. Like, how do I say, send me the file without sounding rude?
Good question. Instead of send me the file, you can say, could you please send me the file? Or would you mind sending me the file?
Ah, that sounds much more polite.
Yes, using could you please or would you mind makes it sound gentle and professional.
So instead of check this report, I can say, could you please check this report?
Exactly. That's perfect workplace English.
Thanks, Lucy. You're a great teacher, even at work.
I'm just sharing what I learned from my emails. Oh, look, I just got a new email from our manager.
What does it say?
It says, Team, please review the attached report and share your feedback by end of day. Regards, David.
That's a short, clear message.
Yeah, so I should reply something like, Hi, David, thanks for sharing the report. I'll review it and send my feedback soon.
Perfect reply, polite and clear.
I like simple messages like that. Clear English is always best. Short sentences, no complicated words.
You know, sometimes I worry my emails sound too short.
Don't worry. As long as you're polite and clear, it's fine.
Okay, maybe you can help me check one of my drafts.
Sure, show me.
Here's one I wrote. Hi, Lisa, send the sales report today. Thanks, Jack.
That's clear, but a little too direct. Let's make it softer. Try this. Hi, Lisa. Could you please send me the sales report today? Thanks a lot, Jack.
Oh, yes, that sounds much friendlier.
Always remember, could you please is your magic phrase at work.
Got it. My magic phrase. Okay, let's take a short coffee break.
Good idea. Do you want sugar?
Just a little, thank you. So, Lucy, how long have you been working at your current company?
2 years now. Time flies.
Wow, really? You must know everyone by now.
Almost. I love the people here. Everyone's friendly.
Yeah, having good colleagues makes such a difference. Sometimes I'm still a bit shy to make small talk in English, though.
That's normal. But the more you talk, the easier it gets. You don't need perfect grammar. Just be friendly and clear.
That's true. I'll try to speak more with coworkers.
Good plan. Speaking of coworkers, do you know some useful phrases for small talk at work?
Sure, we often start with something simple like, how was your weekend? Or, did you watch the game last night? Or, how's your day going?
Ah, yes, people ask me that sometimes. I usually just say good.
That's fine. You can also say pretty good. Not bad or busy, but good.
Busy but good. That's my favorite answer.
Yeah, that's the truth for most of us. How do I keep the conversation going after that?
You can ask back, and you? Or how about you? Or say something about your work, like, I'm working on the new report today. Or, what are you working on?
Oh, okay. So if someone says, how's your day? I can answer, it's good. I'm working on the project plan. How about you?
Perfect. That's exactly how native speakers talk at work.
Sometimes I just say hi and walk away because I don't know what else to add.
That's okay. Just add one short question or comment. For example, hi, it's cold today, isn't it? Or, hi, you look busy today.
Oh, yeah, weather is always a safe topic.
Exactly. Everyone loves talking about the weather.
Okay, let's do a quick practice. Pretend we meet near the coffee machine.
All right. Hi, Jack.
Hey, Lucy, how's your morning so far?
Pretty good. Just checking emails. How about you?
Busy but good. I have that big presentation later.
Oh, right. Good luck with that. You'll do great.
Thanks. See, we sound like real coworkers now.
Because we are. Speaking of emails again, do you know how to write a polite reminder? Like when someone doesn't reply to your email?
Oh, yes, that's very common. You can say, hi, Sarah, just following up on my previous email. Could you please share an update when you have time?
Oh, that's nice. Not pushy, just polite.
Exactly. You're not demanding. You're just checking politely.
And if it's urgent,
Then you can say, hi, Tom. I just wanted to check if you had a chance to look at my previous email. We need the information by Friday. Thank you.
that's useful. I'll write that down. Remember everyone. Polite, clear, short.
What about when we send attachments? I never know what to write.
Easy. Just say, please find attached the report. Or, I've attached the file for your reference.
Oh, I always wrote, I send you the file.
That's okay, and people will understand. But in business English, we usually say attached.
Got it. Please find attached. Sounds more professional.
You know what? Let me try to write an example email right now.
Go ahead.
Okay. Hi, Jack. I hope you're doing well. Please find attached the new report. Could you please review it and share your feedback? Thanks and kind regards, Lucy.
That's perfect, Lucy. Clear, polite, and professional.
Yay, my first perfect professional email in English.
You're doing great. All right, I think we have our team meeting in 10 minutes.
Oh, yes, the Monday catch up, right? Are you ready for it?
Kind of. I still get a little nervous speaking in meetings.
Don't worry. Let's practice some easy English you can use in meetings right now.
Good idea. When the meeting starts, the leader usually says something like, "Good morning, everyone," or "Let's get started."
Okay. And what can I say when it's my turn to speak?
You can say, "Today, I'd like to talk about the marketing strategy," or "I have an update on the website project."
Oh, that's useful. I have an update on the project plan.
Perfect, simple and clear.
What if I want to agree with someone in the meeting?
You can say, "I agree, that's a good point," or "I think you're right, David."
Easy. And if I don't agree?
Be polite. You can say, "I see your point, Sarah, but I think we should try a different approach," or "I understand what you're saying, but maybe we could consider other options."
That sounds very polite and diplomatic.
Yes, always polite, never too strong or aggressive.
Okay, I'll try that in today's meeting.
Great, you'll do fine. By the way, sometimes I don't understand what people say in meetings. What should I do?
Don't worry, that's completely normal. You can say, sorry, could you repeat that? Or could you please speak a bit slower?
Oh, good. Now I always just nod and pretend I understand.
Yeah, I used to do that too, but it's better to ask. People are happy to help.
True, I'll remember that.
Quick question. What do you say when you want to leave a meeting early?
Maybe I have to go.
That's okay for casual situations. But at work, it's better to say, sorry, I have another meeting now. Or, excuse me, I have to leave early for a client call.
Ah, yes, that sounds more professional and gives a reason.
Exactly. Always give a brief reason when you leave early.
What about asking questions in meetings? I'm always scared to ask.
Don't be. You can say, can I ask a question about the timeline? Or, I have a quick question about the budget.
That's helpful. And what if I want to add something to what someone else said?
You can say, can I add something to what Lisa said? Or, just to add to that point, we should also consider the costs. Or, I'd like to add that this worked well in our previous project.
These phrases are so useful, I'm writing them all down.
Good idea. Practice them before your next meeting.
You know, we should also talk about phone calls in English. Those can be tricky.
Oh, yes, phone calls are challenging. When you answer the phone at work, you can say, hello, this is Lucy speaking. Or, Lucy Martinez speaking. How can I help you?
What if I'm calling someone?
You can say, hi, this is Jack from Tech Solutions. May I speak to Mr. Anderson?
And what if the person isn't available?
You can say, would you like to leave a message? Or if you're the caller, could I leave a message for him?
That's very polite. What about ending a phone call?
You can say, thank you for your time, Mr. Chen, or thanks for calling, Sarah, or have a great day.
Simple and professional.
Exactly. The key to good workplace English is being clear and polite.
What if I didn't catch someone's name on the phone?
Just say, sorry, could you repeat your name, please? Or, I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name.
And if the connection is bad?
You can say, Sorry, the line is breaking up. Could you repeat that? Or, I'm having trouble hearing you. Can you speak louder?
These are all so practical. This is exactly what I need for work.
That's our goal. We want to give you real phrases you can use tomorrow at work.
Wow, we've already learned so much this morning. Greetings, emails, small talk, meetings, and phone calls.
And it's only 10 a.m.
Busy, but good.
There's your new favorite phrase again.
Always. You know what? Let's do a quick vocabulary review of all the useful phrases we learned today.
Great idea. Let's start with email phrases.
For greetings, Hi John for friendly emails, Dear Mr. Smith for formal emails.
Opening line. I hope you're doing well, or I hope this email finds you well.
Making requests, Could you please send me the report? Or, Would you mind checking this document?
Attachments. Please find attached the proposal. Or, I've attached the schedule for your review.
Closing, Thanks, best regards, or kind regards.
Following up. Just following up on my previous email about the meeting, or I wanted to check if you had a chance to review my proposal.
Now for small talk phrases.
How's your day going? How was your weekend? Busy, but good.
It's cold today, isn't it? For weather small talk.
What are you working on today?
And for meetings.
Starting. I have an update on the sales numbers. Or, I'd like to talk about the new campaign.
Agreeing, I agree with Sarah, or That's a good point, Tom.
Disagreeing politely. I see your point, but maybe we should consider the costs. Or, I understand what you're saying, Lisa, but I think we need more time.
Asking for clarification. Could you repeat that, please? Or, Could you speak slower? I want to make sure I understand.
Leaving early. Sorry, I have another meeting with a client.
And for phone calls, This is Jack speaking, and may I speak to Ms. Johnson, please?
Also, would you like to leave a message? And could I leave a message for him?
That's a comprehensive list.
I think if you can use all these phrases, you'll sound professional and confident at work.
Absolutely. The goal is to help you feel comfortable communicating in English at work.
And now it's your turn to practice.
It's time for the question of the day.
We love reading your answers in the comments. It helps you practice, and it helps our community grow.
So today's question is, what's the hardest part of using English at work for you? Is it emails, meetings, phone calls, or small talk?
Write in the comments. For example, you can write, the hardest part is phone calls because I get nervous.
Or, I find writing emails difficult because I don't know how to be polite.
Any answer is perfect. We just want to know what you struggle with so we can help you more.
And try to use one phrase you learned today in your comment if you can.
We read every comment and we try to reply to as many as possible.
Before we go, we want to thank you for spending this time with us.
We know you're busy, and we're so happy you chose to practice English with us today.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It really helps us reach more learners.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button so you won't miss our next lesson.
Keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes at work.
Remember, clear and polite is more important than perfect.
Have a wonderful day and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye everyone. Keep learning and stay confident.